Hey guys, so I'm a little out of breath because I carried up this package from Story of Erica. I purchased one of her mystery boxes. She is moving, and if you guys want to help her out with the move by purchasing some stuff from her closet, I'll link her YouTube and Poshmark information down below. So if Erica ever sees this, hi, thank you so much for shipping this to me. I was kind of a hassle because I thought I would still be home in time to receive it, but I was actually heading back to school, so I had to switch my my shipping address, but luckily she didn't ship yet, so I was able to switcheroo real fast. But I just wanted to thank her for doing that for me and being very understanding. But yeah, wishing you luck on the move, and I hope that you and your family have so much fun in your new home. But yes, I do have this huge guy full of goodies, and I'm really excited to open it. So yeah, and it's also 6:45. It is dark out, so I have this overhead light as my lighting, so I apologize if it's not like the greatest lighting, because obviously I think natural lighting is the most glorious. But yes, and also, hi, my name is Molly. I have been gone for a little while. I'm flailing around with scissors, not good, but I make reseller, fashion, and beauty videos, lifestyle videos, and it kind of just goes in different circles, you know, figure eights maybe. And I also love to thrift, anything to do with fashion. Yeah, if you'd like to subscribe and stick around, that'd mean the world to me. I really appreciate everyone that's been subscribing and commenting on my videos. I really appreciate that. And shout out to the girl that came up to me at the involvement fair a couple days ago for Delta Zeta. It was really nice meeting you, and it was the first time I've ever been like recognized in public, so that was really cool. And I'm sorry if I was awkward, but I just wanted to shout out you, and you're really awesome, and thank you. And I'm sorry that I didn't get to talk to you more, but yes, let's get into this unboxing haul, shall we? Already, I'm impressed. I love the wrapping. Very simple, but so cute. Okay. Thank you card. I love. Thank you, Erica. I love cards, so thank you. And a business card. Perfect. I need to get those. So first piece is... I'm probably holding it. Yes, I am. Oh, yes. It is a Bowden dress. So, my story with Bowden. I find it, and I never pick it up because I'm too scared. But now, I have a reason to try it, and this is a great trial run for me. So, it's a 4 petite, gorgeous dress. It's very cute. And I can just see this in the summertime. And I think this will be really cute with like a slouchy sweater. This one is cool. Michael Kors, size small. And I actually have sold Michael Kors before. And this is fun. I love the color. I think this is so gorgeous, especially for like the springtime with a pair of pixie pants. So cute. And Taylor, it's a petite, extra small. I never pick up Ann Taylor, but this is really cute. Can definitely see a teacher sporting this for some reason. Bandolino blue, size medium, and this is a vest, which I haven't sold any vests this winter because I haven't listed any, but this is a gorgeous like plum purple color, so I'm excited to list this. It's very cute and very lightweight for any states that aren't experiencing super cold weather like we are here in Wisconsin. Next, and it's a Banana Republic, size 2 petite, and it's a really gorgeous blazer with the tie waist, which is awesome. And whenever I find blazers or coats with like tie waists, I never have the ties with them, so this is awesome, and I'm excited to list that. And next is a Christian Dior, wow, lightweight dress shirt, and I think this is women's. Yeah, it is. Because the buttons, how you can determine is what side the buttons are on. So yes, super gorgeous. And this is 55% polyester, 45% cotton. And I've never picked up Christian Dior before. Oh, Vineyard Vines, size small. And it's like a tennis skirt, I think. And I find Vineyard Vines a few times up in the cold neck of the woods, aka Minnesota. But I haven't picked it up yet. And this is in really nice condition. And it's really cute, so I'm excited to see how Vineyard Vines does for us up here. I think it's really cute though. I've been starting to get more into athletic wear, so I'm excited that I got a piece. And the last piece is J. Crew size 4, and it's 100% silk. Oh my gosh, this thing is gorgeous. I love the neck. So it is like a mock neck almost, but I think it's a little bit more drapey and kind of like a cowl neck, and it ties in the back. This is gorgeous. I really do like this actually. And I've sold J. Crew a few times and it does pretty well. And this is actually really pretty. I love this piece probably the most. So that is everything that I got from Story of Erica. I'm sorry, I'm very drained. It's the first week of classes and there's a lot going on, but I did want to make this video because I was really excited for this box, and I still am really excited with everything that I got, and I'm excited that I don't have to source this weekend, especially since I have to catch up with homework and everything already the first week back. But yeah, thank you so much, Erica, and I hope that the move also goes smoothly for you, like I said in the beginning. And yeah, I'm really excited for everything, and I can't wait to list everything. So yes, shout out to Erica. And if you want to shop my closet at all, my closet will be down below. And if you guys have any questions or want to see certain videos from me in the future, just comment those down below as well. Again, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Shine bright. Bye.
When love runs high and the signs give it to me easy.